Hey there, just a bit of an update video. If you've been following me on my YouTube and you watch a lot of my content, you might have noticed I haven't posted in quite a few days. It's been almost 9 or 10 days now that I haven't posted, which is unlike me. I'm usually one to post at least once a day or once every second day, right? At least have some content out. But there is a reason behind that, and I'll talk a bit about it in this video. So first off, the main reason was because my Facebook, as you see by the title of the video, my Facebook got hacked. And just a little bit of backstory behind that. I woke up one morning and my Facebook was logged out of. I tried to log back into it and said that the password had changed. I spent all day trying to get into it. I was able to get into it using my mobile phone through Facebook Messenger. Got back into it, changed the email that the hacker had somehow gotten. I think from what I could see, they actually got the email and password from my Spotify, and then they ended up hacking my Facebook because I think it was the same email and password at the time. So they got in. Anyway, I got it back, changed the email, changed the password, changed the complete email that it was on, made a brand new email and everything, and I got into it. I'm like, okay, cool, got my Facebook account back, no worries. The next morning, I wake up to one of my close friends saying, hey, Jack, your Facebook account's gone. I'm like, what do you mean by it's gone? So I try to log into it. The account's gone. Everything, like the emails have been taken off. Everything's just been disabled. And I found that they changed the name. They changed the name to Zach King. They changed the profile picture and everything. It was just like a no-name profile picture or whatever. I think Zach King is some like internet niche celebrity kind of guy. They changed it to that, and then it ended up getting flagged by Facebook, and everything got disabled. And I can't send my verification documents to Facebook because they've changed the email. So I wanted to send my driver's license over so I could get my account back, but I can't send it over because they need an email which is linked to the account, and none of those exist. So I've just basically left it how it is. The only changes with that, and the reason why I've been away so long, is because I'm in the midst of changing everything around. Because when my Facebook got deleted or disabled, whatever you want to call it, not only did I lose a lot of memories and photos and things like that on my account, but I lost messaging contacts, for students and whatnot who are messaging me privately. And then there's also my Facebook group for the Amazon FBA course, which I've been running since like 2018 now. So that's gone as well. So I've had to sort of change things around and move. I'm in the midst of moving to a new platform. And then I also, after that, because it was like 3 or 4 days of this, I just decided to take a few days break, and I just thought I'll just take a break and just come back to it. So here we are. I'm posting new content again, and just to give a bit of an update. So what I've done from here, just to let you guys know, is that I'm still, you can still contact me from email, and then I have also verified, I've got a Meta verified Instagram account now. So if you want to message me through there, links will be down below. I will no longer be linking my Facebook. I've just decided maybe it's a blessing in disguise. I know that there's been people that have been trying to scam and pretend to be me. They've been trying to impersonate me and scam a lot of my followers, especially on Instagram, which sucks because they have gotten a few people. But hopefully now that I'm Meta verified, that will help out with that. But look, apart from those people getting scammed, which I never want to see, hopefully this is just a blessing in disguise, and I'm just going to stay off Facebook and just continue on with Instagram and continue on with my YouTube, obviously, and then just go from there. Because I think I'm always in the mindset of, always try and be in the mindset of control what you can and let go of what you can't. I can't really control this thing with my Facebook account. I can't get it back. So, well, from what I can see, I can't get it back. If you have any other suggestions for ways you can contact, I've tried to contact Instagram support because I know it's through Meta and whatnot, but there's not really much you can do about it. If you have any other suggestions for me, please let me know. If you've had anything like this happen to yourself, if you can get a disabled account back without having the email address or anywhere where I can send verification documents, let me know. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as is. Just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update as to what's going on. So I am filming some more videos after this, and you will see videos throughout the rest of the week. So please let me know what content you want to see moving forward. Obviously, I've got a lot of Etsy stuff coming out, a lot of dropshipping stuff, of course. Just before I go, one other thing that I still have here, which has only just been recently released, is my Patreon. Link is down below, but I'll have a video after this explaining what it's all about. Basically, the most basic terms of it, all the content that you won't see anywhere else, including YouTube, will be on Patreon. a lot of stuff with e-commerce and dropshipping, including the tier, which is only about $55. Okay, you can be in there for 1 month, $55. You'll have complete access to a dropshipping course that I've created that has got everything to do with what I've learned with dropshipping and all the stuff that I did to help me grow, more than one product to 15 to 20,000 per month in sales. Okay, instead of spending hundreds of dollars on a course or private coaching, you can get into the Patreon and you'll get not only that, but a lot more other stuff as well. So make sure to check the link below for that if you are interested in that as well. But apart from that, hope you guys stay safe and I'll see you guys very soon.